Hey everyone, hope everyone had an awesome week and you are ready for the weekend. It's the River Festival, so those of you who are subscribing from Wichita, get out and enjoy that. It should be a lot of fun. But wanted to pop on here and do my rate update. I do have a few announcements before I begin. I am still trying to find the legitimate winner of our drawing, Devendra V. So interesting story. I had some scammers. I don't know if it was one or two, but I had some scammers trying to contact me to claim the $200. And what they don't realize is that I actually can see if you just create a username that matches Devendra V. And so, yeah, I had to kind of do some due diligence and make sure that I was giving this to the right person. So the actual Devendra V that won has not reached out to me yet. I'm reaching out to her. I have emailed her and I have also sent a message on her actual account. So that hasn't happened. If she does not reach out to me, I'm probably gonna have to start putting a limit on this, guys. I know I said that if she doesn't reach out to me by the time I do the next drawing, I'm probably gonna have to put a limit. So if she doesn't reach out to me within the next week, I'm probably gonna have to just put these towards the next drawing. And so we'll have $300 instead of $200. But I'm gonna reach out to her again this week and see if I can get her to claim it, to respond. And if not, then these will go to the next week. But I really want the actual Devendra V to get these and for this to be something special. I may rework this to where I have you guys leave a message on the comments below to enter, just so I don't run into this problem, because it seems to be a problem that I have with getting a hold of the person, because this is the second time now that I haven't been able to get the winner. I want you guys to get these if you win. So yeah, that's kind of what it is. But don't be a scammer and try to get it if you have not won, and create usernames and all that stuff that try to match it and be dirty. So don't do that. But yeah, that's that. Let's see, what else do I got? I have some new videos out. A week ago, I released one on the loan estimate, which is really, really helpful when you're starting the process. And then this week, I released one that is really, really valuable, that goes through the whole closing disclosure, what it is, why it's important. So you have your clear to close, you think you're in the clear, everything's good. It is downhill from there, but it's very important to understand that closing disclosure. Very important details are on that for your cost and what your long-term interest rate is going to be, stuff like that. So definitely check out that video. If you're a realtor out there and you need to get your buyers a little bit of information, education, even if you don't want to use me as your lender, just send them to my YouTube channel. They can get the education that they need on the whole process. I have a step-by-step guide through the whole process for them that'll walk them through the whole process. So you may not get those late night calls from people wanting to know different details that they could just find out if they were, a subscriber to my channel. But awesome, guys. So check those out when you get a chance. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I do these rate updates every Friday going into the weekend, so you know what the rates are going into the weekend. If you happen to be looking for homes, you kind of know what the range is. These are not the rates across the board. These are the rates that I can secure by making lenders, over 50 lenders all across the United States, compete for your loan. And really exciting news as far as rates go. Rates have actually came down a little bit as far as the government loans, the FHA, VA, USDA, they've come down. Conventional's kind of staying flat. Hopefully it'll follow soon. But good luck to my realtor partners out there this weekend. If you have any open houses, if you have any listings you're going to put up, if you're going to go take anybody to see any showings, let me know. I can help you market those listings or market your open house to try to increase the traffic out there. And I'll do that with my avenues I have on social media. But good luck there. If you're a lender, we actually have a lender who is moving to Dallas. So we actually have a prime spot open. If you are a lender working for a bank, a credit union, another, branch broker in town, talk to me, reach out to me, message me on Facebook, message me on here. It can be a lot easier than what you're doing. You'll never lose a loan again. You're going to have awesome rates, probably some of the lowest rates in town, if not the lowest. And you're going to have the freedom to set your own hours. You can work from home as much as you want. We do originate from the office, but you can work from home to do a lot of the the tasks that you're probably doing at your 9 to 5. So I love it. It's awesome. I treat it like it's my own business. And so that is there for you if you want it. I know that there are some probably some banks and credit unions that are not seeing the volume that we're seeing here on the broker side, and that can be fixed. Just get a hold of me, and I'll take you out to dinner. I'll take you out to lunch, whatever you want. It'll be on me, and I'll tell you all about our program here. We got 401k, retirement, dental, health, all the benefits. Any benefit you can think of, we have it here for you. And so it's almost like running your own business, but getting all of the benefits of a corporate environment. So awesome deal there. Another thing is just if you are someone out there who has not refinanced yet, now is your time. This time next year, these rates are going to be higher. They're already trending higher. So if you haven't refinanced yet, pick up your phone, call me, 316-744-5819. We will pull out your mortgage statement. We will go through it together line by line, and we will see if it makes sense for you to refinance. If you have a rate that's in the upper threes, the fours, the fives, the sixes, you definitely need to call me because we can save you a lot of money. So that's that. Without further ado, let me get to this rate update. I've kept you long enough. So conventional 2.99 is what I can secure easily. Most lenders are probably going to be at 3, but I can do 2.99, probably 2.90. Okay, so some of them might be able to do 2.999. I can do 2.990. And I know what you're thinking. It's like, oh, that's just one notch up. But that makes a huge difference whenever you're talking about a 30-year term. That little bit makes a huge difference. FHA, we have a 2.25, VA 2.375, and USDA 2.25. So FHA, USDA has come back down to 2.25, and that's awesome news. I'm thinking VA is probably going to follow. Probably next week, we'll probably be at 2.25 across the board. Hopefully, fingers crossed. And then hopefully conventional follows along. Conventional kind of lags behind a little bit. So we will see, but there is your rate update for this week. Hope everybody has a happy and safe weekend. And I will be releasing a new video I'll do my energy drink review on Tuesday, and then I'll be releasing an educational video on Thursday. So I'll see you guys then. Be sure to check it out. See you later.